Hello students, myself Rohini Athre, subject is biology, Sri Neminath Jain Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Chandpad. In previous video, we have discussed about the anatomy of heart. In our today's video, we will discuss on the conducting system of heart. How the conduction of heart takes place, how the conducting system works. Okay, first of all, we will discuss on the conducting system of heart. The conducting system of heart, it comprises four components. First one is SA node, second is AV node, third is bundle of His, and fourth is Purkinje's fiber. Okay, look at the location of conducting system or the components of conducting system. Okay, one more diagram. Okay, here in this diagram only conducting system is given. First member of conducting system is SA node. Look at the diagram, which is located in the right atrium, wall of right atrium. SA node, which is also known as pacemaker. Second is AV node, which is near to the opening of coronary sinus or the interarterial septum. Third component is bundle of His, which is located in the interventricular septum and which divides into two, left and right. And the fourth component is Purkinje's fiber, which is present in the wall of ventricles. Okay. The first component is SA node. We will discuss by one component. Okay, conducting system. Heart is able to contract its own because it is myogenic. It having the specialized tissue, that is, it is made up of myocardium. Okay, you are familiar with this. It is made, cardiac muscles are myogenic in nature. This is list of components. This diagram gives the location of components. Okay, now first structure is SA node. It is the smallest structure. It is also known as pacemaker of heart. Since it generates the impulses of contraction, the impulses are at about the 70 per minute. The flow of impulses causes the contraction of atrium from superior to inferior, forcing blood into the ventricles. Second component is arterioventricular node or AV node. It is the smallest compared to the SA node and it is located in the interventricular septum near the opening of coronary sinus. What is its function? It conducts the cardiac impulses to ventricle by arterioventricular bundle. Okay. Diagram gives the location of conducting components. The wave of excitation or contraction passes from SA node to AV node and from AV node to the bundle of His. Bundle of His or arterioventricular bundle. It begins from AV node, it crosses the AV ring and runs along the inferior part of the membranous part of the interventricular septum, where it divides into right and left branches extending inferiorly to the interventricular septum and superior to the lateral walls of the ventricles. It divides into two parts, right bundle branch and left bundle branch, respectively into right and left ventricles. Fourth component is Purkinje fiber. The cells are located in the wall of ventriculars. It rapidly transmits the cardiac action potential from arterioventricular bundle to the myocardium of the ventricles. This one is overview of heart conduction. Okay. The sequences of electrical events during the full contraction of heart muscle. An excitation signal means the action potential is created by the SA node. The wave of excitation across the arteria causing them to contract. Then it reaching to the AV node. Then it conducted towards the bundle of His, and from bundle of His it conducted to the Purkinje's fiber. Okay. Now how the conduction takes place. Look at the diagram here. This one. Okay. Where does the SA node located? It located in the wall of arterium. It generates the wave of contraction or impulse of contraction. As soon as the arterium gets full of blood, what happens? SA node generates the wave of contraction. Both the arterium gets contracted. Blood from the arterium respectively it is poured into the ventricles. Simultaneously what happened? The impulse of contraction from SA node it reaches to the AV node. From AV node it reaches to the bundle of His. As soon as it reaches to the bundle of His and Purkinje's fiber, what happened? Two events are there. Impulse conducts from SA node to AV node. Blood flows from arterium to ventricles. As soon as wave transmit from AV node to bundle of His, it immediately transferred into Purkinje's fiber. When the ventricles gets full of blood, ventricle gets contract and blood flows to pulmonary aorta and systemic aorta. Means the conduction is for the only contraction of heart muscles or for the pumping of heart, which is conducted by the special system which is known as conducting system. Okay, thank you. A homework is for all of you. You have to sketch and label the diagram and write down all the notes from this PDF or from our textbook.